Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick operation video, just kind of demonstrating that everything works on this custom Chevy pickup. Go ahead and go inside here, and we're gonna go ahead and put the keys in the ignition, which is located right here, just under the dash. Go ahead and start it up. Fires right up. AC blows nice and cold. It's about 100 right now in Arizona, and it's blowing nice and cold. And then if we go back here, take a look at the radio. Radio works, everything's fully functional. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights. Wipers work as well, and they return back to the correct position once you turn them off. Might be a little hard to see, but tail lights are on as well.